Good morning. I am Sharon Wilson. I will be your instructor this semester. I apologize for being a little bit late with this. I was tested on Friday for COVID, so I'm kind of slugging through getting the rest of this class done and my other classes. So if you bear with me, we will get it done. This first week is just going to be, I'm going to show you here stuff that you have to be responsible for, and your introduction and the syllabus. That's it. If you want to go and start the McGraw-Hill, you have 2 weeks. You have a 2-week access period. You can wait till next week. After that, it's going to be really pushing it. You'll be behind. So I would probably wait till next week, wait till Monday of next week, and then go into McGraw-Hill and start your 2-week clock ticking then. Okay, so let's go through this. I'm going to put mine in student view so you see it this way. You'll always see this greeting here. I'll put this video up above here. This is called our home tab. Okay, our syllabus is right here, and the course schedule. Now the last page on the syllabus is what I want. I don't want all this other stuff before it. I don't want that. All I want is this. Okay, print your name here, your number there, sign it here, and date it. That's all I want. You can take a picture. You can put the electronic signature in there. Whatever works for you to get it to me. That's all that matters. Okay. You're going to see a lot of this stuff here when I fill it in. Ignore the 2:30 to 4:30 because we are not doing Zoom this year. Okay, so those should all be deleted. Okay, so modules. This is where you want to pay close attention. Right here, when you go in, you'll have to go in to start here. You'll read all this, and then you'll mark as done. Then click Next. How-to videos. This is great for when you get into starting to deal with Connect. It will show you navigating, completing assignments. We're going to be using, ours is Learn Smart rather than the Smart Book. Well, your grades will be in Canvas and where to go for help. Right here is where you can go, student resources. Right? This is where I go for instructor resources and where I go for help. When I need help, I contact them. And I have to be honest with you, last semester I tried to go the back door and have me help, and they told me they don't want me doing that. They want you as a student to contact them when you have an issue with your computer or getting in. Okay, so then you click Mark as done and you click Next. And you're just going to run through this. This semester, I'm doing office hours every Tuesday from 10 to 11, but please send me an email and let me know you need my assistance. This tells you you cannot take this class without the Connect access. Okay, and you're just going to keep going down like that to open them. Excuse my sniffles. All right, so see how they have the green arrows? All right. It shows that you started this, but it won't turn green until you've gone through and done them all. Same with here. And then this is your January 1. Okay, well, it should actually be January 10th, right? It tells you, and just click Next. That's how you navigate in here. And again, I put the Connect resources for you. Okay, shows you how to do this. I'm just a cold beer. Okay, our introduction. This is where you will go and you will put your introduction posting. I expect college level writing and college level grammar. None of this Twitter, none of this texting. I love texting. I'd much rather text than call people on the phone. But we have to maintain some professionalism here in college. Okay. Oh, I can see my link is not working. If you see something like this, let me know. I don't mind being told, right? We can see we have one. Love and football as well. The Cowboys. My daughter loves the Cowboys. Not a fan of Disneyland, Catherine. But, right? Okay. So simple, right? All right. Your grades. Your name will pop up. Mine shows student. So let's say that I just decided to do a quick, remember, you got to have that posting that is at least 100 words or more. Okay. So let's say I didn't do that. So I'm going to put a 25 in here for it. And I didn't turn in the syllabus. So that gets a 0. So you can see where it shows you my discussions here, my homework, I got 0. But now if I put a 5 in here, you can see how it brings it up, right? So you can track your scores. And as we add assignments and that, you'll be able to do that what if in there, right? Office 365. As students of AVC, you need to, you can get it all free. Might tell me failure. That's because I'm a teacher, so it won't come in, but you get the whole Office suite available to you. Okay. I think that is it. And as always, if you have any questions, I forgot McGraw-Hill. Let me go back in here to student view. Excuse my sniffles. When you click on McGraw-Hill, you'll go here, go to my section, and you'll see it. Okay, you can see I'm building the assignments here. So all you have to do is just click on them and start. All right, simple, really easy. Everything is outlined for you. If you go through Connect outside of Canvas, your work is lost. I'm not searching for it, so don't even do it. Okay? If you have any questions, email me, swilson@avc.edu. And I'm glad you decided to join me. We'll be doing this. Hopefully, I'll do this every week. May not be on the Monday, but I'll try to get my videos to you as soon as possible. I'll give you little tidbits for each week, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Have a good day and welcome.